Welcome to this presentation of the module Evaluating Data, Information and Digital Content, which is part of the Information and Data Literacy competence area. Here you will find the contents of this module. We will begin with an introduction and continue with the learning objectives. Then we will address the competence of evaluating data, information and digital content. After that, we will see some very useful digital tools. Not all data is equally valuable at a certain point in time. In fact, its value is partly subjective. Data can be good, it can be noise or irrelevant to our context. It can be fake, or its value is yet to be discovered. More and more data, information and digital content is used in the classroom. Conventional teaching methods, however, do not explore the evaluation of data thoroughly. To help with that, you can use digital tools to help students understand more about evaluating data, information, and even digital content. The choice of tools is based on the information and data literacy competence area of the Digital Competence Framework. The learning objectives for this module are the following ones. You will learn how to help students understand the concept of value and authenticity behind data, information, and digital content. You will also be able to understand the differences between the evaluation of data and information as opposed to digital content. Additionally, you will learn to use digital tools in order to find valid data and information. What do we mean when we say that the competence of evaluating data, information, and digital content belongs to the competence area of information and data literacy? Data has both commercial and academic significance. At the same time, it also has a crucial role to play in every digital environment. This constitutes the reason why understanding the value of data is the key to success in so many areas. You can evaluate data, information, and digital content by handling digital tools which prioritize good quality and authenticity in the identification process they follow, and understanding and selecting the criteria of evaluation. Proficiency in evaluating data, information, and digital content can be measured by the level of understanding of how digital tools work and utilizing them to their full potential, and the ability to make your own assessment along with the output of digital tools. One man's trash is another man's treasure, the saying goes, and it reveals a lot about the nature of data. Context is important for the determination of its value. One of the commonly accepted ways to provide this context is to place data, embed it within the frames of academic articles, which is why we chose to present to you two great tools, Google Scholar and JSTOR, from the standpoint of data evaluation. The academic processing of data validity is already a good place to start finding great data. However, the ranking systems and the dynamics these develop constitute great stimuli to develop proper evaluation criteria. Let's begin with the first digital tool, the widely known Google Scholar. Google Scholar is an engine specifically designed for searching scholarly literature. You can find there authentic and credible documents, books, articles, reports, and reviews. With its advanced search settings, you can narrow down the focus and find specific data. To access the official website of Google Scholar, click here. Whether you have a Google account or not, the main page looks like this, where you can very easily search for a keyword or phrase. As we're talking about a search engine, it's unavoidable to talk about search engine optimization. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is how digital content is ranked in search results. SEO consists of rules such as clear and concise writing and the use of specific keywords, links, URL slugs, and meta tags. On the other hand, Google resources tell us that Google Scholar aims to rank documents the way researchers do, weighing the full text of each document, where it was published, who it was written by, as well as how often and how recently it has been cited in other scholarly literature. When you search something on Google Scholar, you will find the results just as you would see Google results. On the left, you will see some settings you can tweak in order to make search more specific. You may want, for example, articles from a certain year and after. This is especially true in cases where an event or discovery proved an existing paradigm wrong in that year, decreasing the value of data in support of the same paradigm, in this context at least. You can also create alerts for some of the searches in order to partially automate this process. When to upgrade? Google Scholar is a free tool to use. Moving on to JSTOR. JSTOR is an extensive digital library which provides access to academic material. It allows you to search keywords, phrases, authors, and more. It covers a wide range of disciplines and it is rich in historical research. You can access the official website of JSTOR by clicking on the link here. While you can browse JSTOR just fine, it is recommended that you create an account as you won't be able to read articles otherwise. JSTOR is a very large directory of journals, so it can be a bit chaotic to remember everything you read, which is why you can access the reading history and save for later, and even leave notes which can help you to easily identify what you wanted the article for or whether it was good. There are two ways to search. One is normally with keywords and the other way is advanced. While keywords are an easy way to scan broadly, it may have some noise. When using the advanced search tool, and by doing multiple searches, you will be able to better evaluate the data. The next question is, of course, when to upgrade JSTOR. You should upgrade to JPass if you need to view more than 100 articles per month. You should also upgrade if you want to be able to download PDFs of articles. Be sure to check if your institution or library has access to the articles you need anyways, if it comes to this point. You can pause and check the following slide of your presentation for more information. We hope that you have evaluated the data of this module as useful. Thank you so much for your attention.